This looks a little different. Whoa, deep mud there, huh? Yep. Because you got good brakes. Yeah. Blocking the way. Wow. Usually ultra slippery. Let you get ahead a little bit. Oh, you went right in the crevice, huh? This is hairy stuff here. Oh, you're going that way? Whoops, Gabriel. Whoops, Gabriel. Woo!
Even the roundabout way was kind of like...
Yeah, why? I liked our drop we used to do with the flag there.
Dude, are you sure you can do that nowadays? Like, it looks
It's a little washed out now.
It looks all kind of hairy.
Oh, thank you.
We basically made it down.
Yep. Let's get the last bits of the water.
Yeah.
Oh, man, tired arms. We still have a good ways back from Crystal Falls. Oh, Gabriel. Oh, no, I'm stuck. Now I gotta walk like an idiot. You're gone. Yep. This must be how Diana feels when I leave her. When I walk ahead and I'm gone. And she's back here. Don't worry about it. I'm coming. I'm coming. Did you walk this?
Yeah, but I was looking at it.
Yeah, but anyway.
That wasn't the hardest part of the trail. I found it pretty fast.
Yep. I hear that. Whew. I will. Because we don't want any video of any accidents crossing the river. Oh wow, they built a river. I mean a crossing. Yeah. Yep. Oh, that one's wet, dude. Yeah, you got good shoes. You want some help? Oh, you got it, you got it, you got it.
Yeah.
Oh. Push the bike over. Okay. Push the bike over and just climb up. Nice move, man.
I'll take the bike from you.
I didn't think that was going to work. No, I can climb up.
Oh, you want to do this?
Yeah, watch.